In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Sidebar in ChatGPT. If you've been working in ChatGPT and want a cleaner, wider space to focus on your conversation, closing the sidebar is the quickest way to do it. The sidebar is the panel on the left that lists your recent chats and some menu options. It's helpful when you need it, but it can take up space when you don't. The good news is that you can hide it with a single click and bring it back just as easily. Start by going to ChatGPT. Open it in your web browser or use the desktop app if that's what you prefer. Once you're on the main ChatGPT screen, turn your attention to the very top left corner. You should see a small button or icon there that controls the sidebar. Depending on your version and screen size, this icon may look like 3 horizontal lines, a panel outline, or a simple toggle. If your sidebar is currently open, you'll see your list of conversations on the left. All you need to do is click that sidebar icon once. The panel will slide closed, and your chat area will expand to fill the screen. That's it. Your workspace is now wider, and your current conversation will be front and center without extra distractions. A quick note on how this control works. It's a toggle. Clicking it when the sidebar is open will close the panel. Clicking it again will reopen it. So if you ever need to jump back to a previous conversation or access the menu, just tap the same icon to bring the sidebar back. If you're having trouble spotting the icon, take a close look at the very top left edge of the interface. On smaller screens, or when your browser window is narrow, the toggle can appear as a compact menu button. You might also notice that the icon shifts slightly depending on your zoom level or the theme you're using. Don't worry. No matter how it looks, it's always in that top left area, and it always does the same thing. It opens and closes the sidebar. That's the whole process. Go to ChatGPT, find the sidebar icon at the top left, and click it to close the panel. When you want it back, click the same icon again. Simple, fast, and perfect for when you want more room to read and write. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner chat workspace.